Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's check out how to reset your Lendio password. If you forgot your password or you need to change it for security reasons, resetting it is quick. Here's how to do it. First, go to Lendio's login page at lendio.com, and then under the login form, you're going to see forgot password, so just go ahead and click that. Now just enter the email address that's linked to your Lendio accounts and then click submit. You can check your inbox for an email from Lendio with the subject password reset request. Open the email and then click the reset password link. You're going to be redirected to a secure page where you can create a new password. Make sure it's strong. You want to use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Once that's done, confirm your password and then click save. Return to the login page, enter your email and new password, and you'll be able to access your dashboard. Now, a quick tip is if you don't see the email reset link, then you want to check your spam or junk folder. For maximum security, be sure to avoid reusing your old password. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.